Hey y'all, in this video I'm going to be going over some reminders and tips for your hearing aids. First of all, it's very important for you to wear your hearing aids from the time you get up until the time you go to bed. Even if you're going to be home alone all day and not going anywhere, there's still sounds in your home that you need to be able to hear, even if you don't realize it. And this is all part of retraining your brain to hear all the sounds that you've been missing for so long. Another thing to remember is to be sure to remove your hearing aids before going into any water or when you're going to bed. When you aren't wearing your hearing aids, you need to keep them in a safe, dry place, away from any pets or any place they may get stepped on or accidentally thrown away. Do not keep them in the bathroom. The moisture in the air could damage them. If you have rechargeable hearing aids, remember to put them on the charger at night when you go to bed. Always be sure to come in for your quarterly service appointments. Keeping your hearing aids clean and checked by us is like getting the oil changed in your car. This can extend the life and quality of your hearing aids. And always remember, if you have any questions or concerns about your hearing aids, never be afraid to reach out to us. We are here for you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see y'all next time.